Alright, this is Pink Panther 2275, vlog number 2. I don't really have a title for this. I just want to jump on here before my next class. I'm outside and it's starting to snow. But anyway, that's besides the point. I wanted to comment on the people who left comments on my page about that bus fight with that black African American. Really, he's African American. Just to let you all simple minded ass motherfuckers know. African American. Okay. The fight they had. Okay. Um, I'm not prejudiced. I am so. If y'all just don't know me, I am so not prejudiced. Okay, my dad's white Hispanic and my mom's black and Indian. I know any race. You like black people could hate black people. I understand that, but I don't hate black people. I love them. I love my black brothers and sisters. But the point of this, me posting that my comment to that video was for the simple fact to publicize ignorant people like that. That was the whole sole purpose. Okay? Now I see it as days has passed. The white man, okay? I'm just saying how it is, white Caucasian. I'm sorry to offend anybody. White man, okay? And the black man, African American, were both in the wrong. Really, it was. But the black man was more in the wrong than the white man was because he didn't have to go up. And that chick provoking the whole fight, you're stupid. You're just a retard. Like, who does that and then videotapes everything? Nobody. Just you. So yeah, and as far as the African American thing, I've been watching y'all's videos. Y'all are so stupid. Okay, history. Let's go to history class since I'm about to go to class. History. Black people are African American. Just to let y'all know. Okay, I don't know what black people have lied to y'all. Okay, back to slavery. All slaves, all black African American slaves came from Africa. Okay, before then there was no black people here in the United States. There was Indians, Spaniards, Europeans, no black people. They all came from Africa. Okay, which would make the black people from present day from African American descendant. Wow. Ain't I smart? No, that's common sense. Anyway, yeah, I just wanted to say thank you to everybody who commented on my first blog. Thank you so much. And for those haters, keep hating because y'all are motivating me, like seriously. So, deuces, I'm gonna get out the cold and go to class. I'll see you later.